You know, especially during that time when we say Erica and Laycon get Kiddwaya side more than the way we say you tilt towards Laycon side. And so you feel say this thing when we say people talk about you, so the fact say you be Nigerian politician, say you know they too straightforward like that. Say now only the person will go favor you. They always try to be
make a very clear then because I just really watch the show from back of TV. You're not there from watching the back to watch the show.
There are people with their money
at the back because first off that day when the Fantasy first starts, I mean this I already get Erica already young. I feel come aside, you know. The first thing I do is say I feel go meet Kid Erica. I'm like, guy, what's in the park now? Make the guy calm down, understand? Now, Kid my guy, where I feel say go even give me voice. Then make I leave Erica. I confuse say I don't understand why I go leave her. She did say things to Laycon. And you that him and Laycon they really close. So I'm like, I don't understand how you go there. Your matter day with you, your matter call the your guy down. You can't just say you don't want to talk, just they neutral. And me, and that night, now when me talk, say guy, we'll calm the situation. And even my people that
the way I see now where you don't say once they quarrel, whoever they quarrel, they have their home match. So that maybe voice for that, I may not get a strike.
Make I so as they call make I calm down, everybody make I leave, I can't go sit down beside Laycon for dining. So I mean sit down beside Laycon for the dining, you understand? She just cap. I won't tell Laycon, say Laycon come say Laycon come say make I let she talk. You understand? Make I let she talk. After that time, Laycon go inside, she can't go outside, then Prince and Dora can't go meet her for outside. I can't begin with Prince and Dora for outside. I can't begin for her day for dining. Can't go meet her where she did. I can't even ask her, say, okay, again, what if this guy actually do you? She don't fit talk. You understand? And that night, she can't even try stand up, one go fight Prince. Now me have to ride the whole land. The whole land. May he not go.
I think I see that part.
When she even go the head of house land, she don't want to make Prince sleep. That means they go whole land. You understand? So when we talk, say they don't say I tilt towards Kiddwaya. I clear Kiddwaya that thing, say Kiddwaya. I will talk, I clear him inside the event and tell her. I say, if to say you won't make Erica not talk because you want Erica move button, if I just kind of come up for there. Case closed.
Now you believe say that event will actually share when it leads to the disqualification of Erica for if they manage if you or any Kiddwaya act otherwise.
Yes. I even talk him. I say because if you kind of come out, okay. We not say Kid Erica move button. If you kind Erica come out,
when you mean move button like can't be for hand the president.
My brother the president.
Serious?
I know.
Okay.
You understand?
Now shut up before we go back to also. My people say ask you how many banana in carry come the house?
You know more show. I got the shade the where I take the time.
This one keep me. You know they change the way.
Hey, no more show. Like fuck. I can't myself. You go give me one.
I wish you know say the Prince and you go back on the if you
back ball. I don't even know.